My name is Ghislain Boudreau. I'm a project manager with KROME Services, and we're here at 2100 Cherobi in Mississauga, where we're doing a crane lift today. First of all, we're lifting up a new structure for the new unit that we're going to be putting up here. After that, we're going to be putting up a new air source chiller. This chiller works similar to a heat pump. In the winter time, it can provide some heating, and in the summertime, it provides cooling. This helps with a reduction in usage of natural gas, usage of water, etc. And it's one of our big projects that we're working on with our client CAPREIT here in Ontario. Here we are at the end of the crane lift. Everything went quite smoothly, and now the next steps, we're going to be doing all the piping directly to the unit, and we're going to be connecting the electrical, and that's going to take about a week or so, and then we'll be all set and be able to provide this building with some cooling for the summer season. I just want to say, job well done by the KROME team and our subcontractors, and then we'll be off to the next one.